Okay, another quick unboxing of another product. This is my helmet. So it's from a company called HeadFox. Pretty sure you've heard of these people. They take the Steelbird helmet, modify it, add the 40-hour, is it 40? Yeah, 40-hour standby Bluetooth module into it, and then rebrand it to HeadFox and then sell it. Anyways, so that's a quick history, but it's still the Steelbird helmet. Let me quickly unbox it. So if you see here, it clearly mentions please make a video before opening it. These guys seem to be a pure online seller. So HeadFox is a pure online seller based in Jaipur, Rajasthan, I guess that's what it's mentioned. So I guess that's the reason they have given this disclaimer. So let's quickly see what's inside the box, and then I want to drag this video because I'll also be creating a review video later. Okay, there's another box. Let me quickly bring that out. Okay, this is it. So there were two boxes. This was inside that corrugated box. So I mean, I'll show all the details later in the review video, but just wanted to do this quick unboxing, unlock the technology, social media handles. There is this guy on the motocross bike. Check their website, headfox.in. Made in India. There's a Bluetooth symbol. Same guy. Okay, it shows MRP 6,999. I hope you can see it. 6,999. The model is N2 Air. Now they haven't mentioned Air. I don't know why, but when I ordered it was N2 Air. Smart helmet. Okay. Now the problem with buying your clothes, your helmet, everything online is the hassle of kind of replacing it. The whole process is tedious. So my size is 600 mm. My head size is 600 mm. That's what I measured. So 60 centimeters. Let me just open this. Okay, let me remove the helmet carefully without banging much. So my size is large, but then I am not really sure that every manufacturer has a standard size, just like with your clothes. Okay, so there's a helmet bag, I guess. So let's keep the bag aside, and this is the helmet. Okay, so like I said, I'm not going to do much detailing over here. I'll do another video quickly. The Bluetooth buttons. This is why I bought this helmet, so that I don't need to purchase a Bluetooth module. Inside, I'm not sure if you can see, it's large, 600 mm. There's a charging port over here, right? And there's this button for this flip up helmet. There should be a visor as well inside. It's a dual visor helmet. So just bear with me for the camera angles. This is the most I could get, but then once I do a proper review and a demo video, I'll try including everything again. Oh, there are these air vents also, I guess. Cool. You see this? It opens up like the old Ferrari headlamps. Cool feature. Now, wait a minute, I forgot this pouch. Not really sure what's inside this. However, there is this small little bribe, 2 months extra warranty if I provide a good rating or any kind of rating. Let's assume any kind of rating on Flipkart and Amazon. Share the screenshot and the QR code. Anyways, nowadays most sellers do that, so not a big thing. Let me just see if I can open this without tampering the sticker. Okay, hope so. Slowly, gently. Yeah, done. So I'm not sure if this is complimentary, but yeah, seems like a USB 3.0 fast charger compatible cable. That's my assumption. Not really sure, but yeah, since it's orange, hey, orange, KTM orange, orange, everything orange. So let's bleed orange. Okay, so this is the product guide, I guess. HeadFox sticker. Again, I'll read this later. What else do we have? Another HeadFox sticker. 2 months warranty. Providers rating on Flipkart. Okay. 1 year manufacturer warranty, 2 months extra warranty. Okay, fine. Overall, the package looks good and promising. Only time will tell what's gonna happen with this helmet. However, one thing before, kind of logging off, the helmet costed me around 3,000 rupees, I guess. Somewhat 3,000, 2,800 or 3,000, I'm not sure. Don't remember, I'll kind of put it in the video description. But then you need to understand that it's an ISI certified helmet. There is no DOT certification. So if you kind of spend a little bit more, a couple of thousands more, you will get a DOT helmet in this price range. So I'm not really sure if I made a wise decision, but then I'm not going to race, I'm not going to go off-roading quite often, so highly unlikely situation that I am going to fall by myself unless I'm unlucky and someone hits me. So this should fit the bill, I guess. That's the reason I thought this would be a balance between price as well as safety and a good ROI. So, but then again, as I said, buy a DOT certified helmet or an international grade, whichever works for you, if you have the money. For me, this should work. Okay, so that's it. This is the helmet. I can also use this video as a reference video if I find this product defective, or if I am not able to if this size doesn't fit me, then I'll need to buy a bigger helmet. But hopefully this will fit, and I will make a demo as well as a review video later. Alright, bye, thanks.